are walking down to the car because it is like 4:15 right now. It's about 20 minutes away from my John Deere dealer. I guess I need a front seal for my axle on the tractor because I'm leaking axle oil out the front left hub. Can't get the seal here until tomorrow. Hopefully the seal will get in. We can change it out real fast and then we can get this done. Let's go check this tractor. I'm gonna try and bring it down to the shop if there's enough left in it, so it'd be easier to change the oil out in the shop. Okay, I just checked it. You can see there's a lot of moisture there, and you can see the oil right there. And we're just gonna take it down there. Get to the bad seal, we had to have the bearing pulled out of the hub, and we didn't have the right tools to do that, so we had to find someone who did. The only mechanic shops we could fit with a bearing puller that would fit this size bearing were of course John Deere dealerships and the Kubota dealership. We were able to take the hub up to Kubota and get the bearing pulled, then we put the seal back in, and we were able to put it back on the tractor. Now, however, I am an idiot, as my regular viewers know by now, and I didn't put a gasket maker paste in between the two parts of the hubs before we put it back together. My excuse for this tremendous blunder is I was just in a hurry, and that's why I made this mistake. But don't worry, I'll have a better excuse next time. I won't, will I? I never do. We finally got it fixed, but that's why this footage is kind of all over the place. We also had to come back and finish mowing the field like a week later because that was when the tractor broke down when I was in the middle of mowing it, so I only got a few passes done. But luckily I had some friends there to help me when the tractor started leaking the second time, which was when we were raking and baling hay. So that was kind of a help. Kind of. Hayden was here. Broke everything else, but we got the tractor fixed, so I'm going to show you guys that footage. Tractors, we haven't even started raking. The tractor is leaking again. So we put this hub back on it. So I'm thinking we could maybe get something to like seal that. You see what I mean? That's what's coming out of it. We got the seal fixed. So what do you think? Yikes. I'm just worried that once it heats up, you know, it's going to leak out even more once we get to using it. So we got to rake and bale with this thing.
Well, you can try it.
Yeah.
Get started and see what happens.
Yeah.
But yeah. Keep an eye on it.
Alright, cool. I bought a new baler. It's been a crazy week, this truck. I've been fixing the truck today. And I haven't had time to grease the baler, so if I get this thing raking, you could maybe grease that up for me.
Sure, where is it?
It's up in the shed.
Oh, okay.
But let me get hooked up to the rake and then we'll take a look at that. Ride up. I got some up at the shed. We can ride up and look at that baler as well in the meantime. Well, we baled some with it before we bought it. It worked. It did fine. Not this again.
piece of junk.
You're such...
Hey man, you told me to grease it. You didn't say how to grease it.
So it begins. All right, this one's knotted. This one didn't for some reason. They're cut. Why are they cut?
Just that one? Yeah.
Ours are normally not tight enough.
I know.
Yeah, that's like a perfect bail.
Okay.
That's exactly what it's supposed to look like, but it might still be too tight. Maybe it snapped the knot.
Yeah.
make these bales just a little bit shorter than we did last time. I didn't really have time to adjust them, but I wanted them just a tad bit shorter. As you saw, we used the 6.2 diesel to pick up hay with over the Chevy 2500 and the big trailer. That is because my door broke on the 2500, couldn't get it fixed in time for picking up, and on top of that, the panel clips for the door panel also snapped when I was fixing it, so I didn't have a door panel once I did get it fixed. So if you're wondering, that's why the door panel looks a little weird in the upcoming clips that I'm about to show you. Also, I was able to get my mentor, Ben, to help me pick up hay. He actually enjoys picking up hay, as I do. But it was just me and Ben, so I let the 2500 roll between the rows in first gear, and we just threw the bales on. I steered and stacked while Ben worked the other side. So anyways, yeah, that's how we got stuff done. Enjoy. I think so.
watch it before it gets steep here. I said I gotta watch it before it gets too steep here.
Your steers look pretty heavy to me from a distance.
What do you think? You can't climb that. I know you can't climb that. That's why I am the superior farm boy. Ha! Guys, if you enjoyed this video, stick around on the channel because I have an outtakes video coming up soon that has a lot of Hayden being goofy in it, as can be expected. It's also got some behind the scenes clips of us working on the equipment and some other stuff that didn't really make it to this video. So if you want to see that, subscribe and stick around for that. So that should be fun. I also have a video planned for my new square baler, the New Holland 271, doing a little bit more in-depth look on the knotters and such. A big thank you to all my friends who helped in this video. Hayden, Todd, Nathan, Ben, of course. Ben, Nathan, and Hayden have all bailed me out, no pun intended, more than once when we were baling hay, and they've really been a big help to me, not just in this video, but over the past couple of years of me working on hay. There. Why? We still have second cutting hay videos coming up, but that is it for first cutting. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. High five. Yeah.